Hi, welcome back. In this video, I am going to teach the search part of Ajax. Here I am going to make the simple program of account balance checking. Here I am going to enter the account number here. If you enter the account number, relevant account holder name and balance should be displayed below. Right? Now let's check. I am going to enter the account number A001. You can check here the account holder name should be displayed John and balance display as 40,000, right? Now here if you enter the wrong account number, here nothing will be displayed here, right? If you enter the correct account number only, it will be displayed the details below, right? If you enter the account number 2, relevant details should be displayed here. It is James, balance should be 20,000, right? Very simple system. Let me see how to do this system step by step. I have created the project which name is FS Bank. I have added the Bootstrap folder as well as a jQuery folder, and I have added all the required jar files, JSON jar file as well as a MySQL connector jar files. Now here I have designed the form. This is the heading. This is the form design, right? Very simple. I have added only 3 fields: account number, account holder, name, this one. Third one should be the balance, right? This one only the input field. Here this is the only input field here. When you run this project, you can check here. Right click, you have to run the file. You can check here the output, right? Here we have added only one input field here. This one should be the account number. If you enter the correct account number, relevant account holder name should be displayed below the label. Here I have put one label here. Balance also display on the label, right? So here I have designed the 2 labels, right? This one should for account holder name. This one should be balance, right? This is the label I have added here, right? Now this is a simple form design I have made, right? Don't worry about that, we will provide all the source code. So here we have added all the jQuery files here. Now what I am going to do is here we have to write the jQuery part here. So we have to write script, go to closing tag. Right. First I am going to write the function which is search. So you have to write function which name is search. If you open the function, you must close the function, right? Now after that we have to write the Ajax function. So you have to write Ajax function, right? You have to write the structure like this. It is easy to understand, right? If you write the Ajax function like this, okay? This is the open tag, this is the close tag. Now here what I am going to say, inside the Ajax function I am going to write, first I am going to type, you have to write the post. This one should be the post. You have to write post, comma, second one should be the URL. You have to write URL. This one should be the, you have to write find Jsp. You have to write find .jsp, comma. Third one should be the data. Here we have to write what's the data you are sending to this page, right? Which data you are going to sending? Only the account number. This account, when the user enter the account number, you have to send it. So we have to write here, you have to create the variable here, this one AC number you have to write, okay? Now here we have to write the, you have to write here is text box. We have to add the text box which name is this name. What is the account number you are typing on this text box? I just Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. right? What's the account number you are typing on this text box is assigned to this variable, it goes to this page, right? This is the thing I have to do. So here we have to write dot val, that's called val, right, comma, right. Now I am going to write the success Ajax success function. So write the success function of Ajax. Write data. Right. That's the thing we have to do. Right. Now what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to create the page of find JSP page. So here, this is my project. So select the web pages folder, right click, new, select JSP. Here I have to write the file name as find, right. Now click finish. Here your file has been created successfully, which name is find.jsp. Now here I am going to remove this all the stuff. Now here first what I am going to do is here we have to start the JSP tag. This is start tag, this closing tag, right. Inside here first what I am going to do is here we have to write the JSON array list object. We have to create the JSON array list object. So you have to write JSON array, you have to write list equal new, the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right. This thing we have to write, we have to add the relevant class, right. It's added successfully above. After that what I am going to do is here, we have to write the connection object. We have to write the connection object, connection con, right. Now here what I am going to do is here the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Now here the inside the import we have to write here java dot SQL. Here we write asterisk sign. Asterisk mean all the classes will be available in the asterisk. SQL, all the SQL classes will be reside on this asterisk, right. Now here error go, right. We added the classes above, right. Now what I am going to do is here, after that we have to write the prepare statement. Prepare statement object I have created as PST, right. After that we have to write the another one, we have to create as result set, so create as RS, right. After that we have to register the driver. So we have to write class dot for name. Here we have to write com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver. You must practice this stuff, that's why I again I am writing this one, okay. You must practice, okay. After that what I am going to do is here, we have to add the, we get the connection object here equal, we have to add the database path, right. So we have to write driver manager dot get connection. Here we have to add the database path, right. So we have to write jdbc mysql. You have to write my database is reside on localhost, so you have to write localhost, you have to write localhost, comma, what's the database name? This is my database name, Jsp. I just write as Jsp, right. So we have to write here is Jsp is my database name, right, comma, root, this is the MySQL username, default username, password will be blank, right. When you install the SAM server, default username is root, default password is blank, right. This all the things I explained, right. Now what I am going to do is first here we have sending the ID. here like this, right? When you enter the account number, what happen is it goes to this URL find.jsp page. We have to retrieve this account number. So here how to retrieving, this is the variable passing here. So here you have write, you are getting this one. So you have write here is simply you have write the account number. You have write string, simply you have write string account number ACC number equal, you create the variable account number. So you have to write here receiving here. So how to receiving, you have to write here request dot get parameter. Here you have to write the same name. You have to write what's the name you are sending, this is the name, right? AC number, right? So you have write the same name, AC number, that's the thing you have to write here, right? Once you retrieving here and you are passing the variable ACC number, right? That's the thing you have to write. After that, what I am going to do is here you have to write the prepare statement. We have to write the prepare statement. Here we have to get the prepare statement object here equal connection, this connection object dot prepare statement. You have to write the prepare statement here. You have to write select all from which table, account table. This is the table, right? Select all from account table. You have to select all the records from the account table where account number, what is the column here, account number column, this is the ACC number, right? The same name you have to write here, ACC number equal, you have to write the question mark parameter. Okay, now this is simple one. What's the account number you are receiving, you are passing to this relevant variable. Now here what I am going to do is here we have to write pst dot set string. You have to write one, only one parameter are there, only one. Here this one passing to this account number, control C to copy, control V to paste here. What is the account number you are receiving here, the relevant detail should be displayed. You have to match what is the account number coming here, the relevant detail should be loaded. After that, what I am going to do is here we have to write the result set object here, rs equal prepare statement dot execute query, right? After that, first what I am going to do is we have to write if rs dot next equal true. If you enter the relevant account number, if the account number is correct, the relevant detail should be loaded and we have to show inside this if, right? If rs next equal true mean if the ice record is available, it will be true, right? Rs next equal true, right? Now here first what I am going to do is here we have to write here string name equal rs dot get string. You have to write the name of the account holder. This one is a name, I just create name, right? The name of the account holder. After that, balance, right? So you have to write the same name. You have to write this one name. After that, we have to write string balance equal rs dot get string, right? Balance. That's the thing we have to write here. That's the only thing we have to write here. After that, we have to write create the JSON object. So you write JSON object. You write create the obj, create the object obj equal new, control C to copy, control V to paste here. You have to add the class. Select this one, import for this one. If you click on this one, it added above, right? Okay. After that, what I am going to do is here we have to write this is a JSON format. So we have to write JSON obj dot put. You have to write the name. First one should be the key, this one should be the name. Okay, name. So here we have to set the key here name. This one we have to send it to which page, index.jsp page. What is the record you are the matching, what's the ID you are coming here, you assign this particular variable, you have to get it here. The relevant data should be loaded and passing to the relevant variables here. We have to pass in here, right? We have to send it to this data into the back to our index.jsp page, right? So here we have tried this one, this variable name, control C to copy, control V to paste. What is the value here? It is passing here, it is assigned to this variable, right? Okay. After that balance part, so we have to control C to copy the same thing, control V to paste here. This one I am going to change as balance, BAL. Here also BAL. BAL means this one. What's the data inside here? It is passing here. Okay, it is assigned here, right? This is sending to this data, this key value we are sending back to our index.jsp page, right? You have to understanding the JSON, right? After that, what I am going to do is here, we have to write list dot add, we have to write obj, this object. Okay, this thing we have to write. After that, we have to out of this this else bracket is open here, close it here. We have to write outside the bracket, we have to write out.println, out.println. We have to write here list dot to JSON string, this one. We have to send in JSON format, right? Now here write out dot, you have to call the flush method. This is the thing you have to do, right? This very simple thing you have to do here, right? Very simple thing we have to do here. I have forgot one thing here. We have to write a try and catch block, right? So I have forgotten this stuff. Open the try block, close the try block here. We have to write the catch, we have to write the exception, ex, you have to write here. Simply you have to write ex dot this object, catch this object, get it here, dot print trace. You have to write like this. Okay, this is the thing you have to write. You have to select this one, press tab key on your keyboard, you have to align it correctly. Okay, you have to align it right. Okay, the catch is important stuff. Okay, this is open here, it is closing here, right? Okay, then only we will able to find the error, right? Okay, this is simple code we have to write. Now let's back to our index.jsp page. Now here we have to retrieving the data, right? We have to retrieving the data. What is the account number you entered? It is go here, matching record should be here loaded. It is we have to receiving in this page. So how to receiving here this page? First we have to pass into the relevant labels, right? This is ACC name as well as a bal, right? So how to pass it here is, here this is the name of the label, account name. This is the name of the label, balance, right? So here we have to write here, simply we have to write account number, account, this is account name, ACC name, this one, ACC name, you write ACC name here, dot, this one should be the label. So you write HTML, you write HTML, this one here to write HTML. Here we have to pass in the data, right? So the same thing you have to control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one should be the bal, this is a text box bal, right? Now here how to get this data here is, we have to write here, we have to create the var obj equal, you have to get the JSON format. So JSON dot pass, here we have to write data, this data. What is the records coming here? You have to pass it here. It is convert as JSON like this in JSP. Now we have to write here is, we have to call this obj here, obj, you have to write like this, dot, what's the value? First one should be assigned to this name, balance assigned this one, these two values are coming here. So you have to set it here, relevant labels, right? Here we have to, this one should be the name, this one should be, here we have to write obj dot, this one should be the balance, right? This is the thing we have to write here, right? First we have to check whether record is coming successfully or not. Let's check through the data on console. So we have to write console dot log. We have to use the console for testing purpose, right? Now we have to close the statement, right? Now let's check whether any errors are here. I have put additional C here, so we have to remove one. Now here this all the labels, right? ACC name and balance should be displayed, so here we have to put the like this. Okay, that's the thing we have to do. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not, right? Now let's select the project index.jsp, right click, run file, right? Now let's enter the account number. This account number I am going to enter. We have to display name and balance for here. So we have to write one. Here it displays successfully, right? If you make it as 2, here it displays successfully. Now here what I am going to do is here, if you remove the account number like this, the name still there. If you remove the account number like this, the name should be not displayed, right? So how to do the task is we have to put the condition, right? So here we have to write here, we have to put the if condition. If you have to write if, you have to write this object, this one, right? Obj is not equal, you have to write not equal 0, right? Now here what I am going to do is here, if it is not equals 0, you have to write this Control X cut off this code, Control V to paste here, right? This is not equal to 0. The record is there. It is display, the data will be displayed on this particular labels, right? Otherwise the data is not there, the record is not coming. So what I am going to do is here, we have to write the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here this both. We have to, this one we have to remove it. You have to put the clear one. These are clear labels, right? You have to write like this, clear. This is a clear, right? This is how we have to clear, right? This is how we have to clear the stuff, right? Right? This is the thing we have to do. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not, right? Okay, if the data is, if you are enter the wrong account number for the second time, right? So let's check, right? If you enter A001, it displays successfully. Backslash remove the one, here it's gone. If you type correct one, it display, otherwise it's gone. Here it is gone. Here if you type only the correct account number, only record will be displayed, otherwise it will be not display here. This is the thing we have to put, right? This is very essential stuff. I hope you guys understood these things well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. I will continue in my next lecture.